Good morning. Join me for a lesson today.
Greetings, writers. I'm Mr. Quill.
Some cats chase mice, I chase stories.
Stories begin with a spark of curiosity. Before you start writing, ask yourself a few questions.
What kind of story do you want to tell?
Do I want my readers to learn something new? Escape into another world?
Think about main character. Describe them.
Give them a personality.
Write down 3 story ideas.
Just let your imagination speak.
Every book that ever been created.
It started with a simple idea.
I'm Mr. Quill. Until next time, bye.